Can anyone guess why I'm all in pink? It's my Ipsy bag. Ah! I know, like, everyone's going, so what? You have an Ipsy bag. Everybody has an Ipsy bag. Guess what? I have never had an Ipsy bag before. So this is exciting for me. I haven't opened it. Look, the seal's still on. Drum roll. I know some of you are like, big deal. Ipsy. It's Ipsy. Before I get started, I just want to thank... Before I get started, I just want to thank all of you who have been engaging in my content, leaving me comments and participating and commenting about how much you love my bandanas. Thank you so much. I wear the bandana because I have super fine, thin hair that doesn't want to do anything. The last thing I want to do after I spend hours on my face is do hours on my hair, and then my husband's gone, and then I'm just sitting on the couch. You know, that's not good. Okay. All right, so let's get on to the Ipsy bag. Okay, so like everything just crashed in my studio. I want to see what's in my Ipsy bag. Who doesn't love pink? If you don't like pink, something's wrong with you. And who doesn't like this shiny pink? Something's wrong with you. This is amazing. Now, I have seen some people do their unboxing, unbagging their Ipsy products, and while that's fun and fantastic, I'm excited to see mine personally. If you've already seen somebody, you know, unpackage theirs, please just stay with me because I'm gonna have fun with this. You know me, it's never a dull moment. I just got done tipping over everything in my room. Ah! Like, do you hear the heavens just calling out as the bag opens? How many of you hear that when the bag opens? I don't know, because I don't know what to expect. Oh, and then it's silver on the inside. Ooh. Ooh. I hate yellow. I thought I was getting the red and pink bag. Ipsy poo. Yellow? Does it match my skin tone? Does it match? I thought I was getting the red, which is why I've got all my red and pink on. It is a Firma 102. Whew. Whew. Oh yeah. All right, so let's open up my ugly yellow bag. It's kind of vinyl-y. Can you see that? I thought it was gonna be a cloth bag. It's vinyl. It's Pride Month. Henele lip treatment, mauve pink. Let's see. Why? Why? I gotta get the tweezers out, you guys, because I can't do that. It's so tiny. I have neuropathy, for the love of Jesus. Ugh, there it is. It's hard. It took a long time for it to get out. All right, I'm gonna put that on over my lipstick. It's sticky. Very, very sticky. Oh, you could have told me that was there. Right? I mean, come on. Oh, that tastes terrible. Oh. I gotta take that off. What? So far, this isn't going very well. Yellow bag. A disgusting tasting lip gloss. I'll be back. I'm gonna take my new brush, put it in my Hello Flawless. It's choking, like I got that taste in my mouth. Oh. Ugh. Super stay. So far, the Ipsy bag is not going according to plan. You guys made it sound so fun. What just happened? I told you this would be fun. Going back in with hello. I do like the brush, okay? I'll give it to the brush. All right, so far, I like the brush. I have Pure Brazilian leave-in conditioner for gorgeous, silky, smooth hair. Oh, I'm not gonna do that right now. In fact, I don't like leave-in conditioners for my hair because my hair is super oily. So when I do these, they're really gross on my hair. But I'll give it a try and I'll let you know how that works. I'm having a lipstick disaster here. Next thing. Oh my gosh. You guys, I love Professional. Like, I truly love it. It's one of my favorite products. But this, y'all, is crazy. You want to see why it's crazy? Do you see that? Do that. Look at this. This is the one that's $15. This is your smallest size. This is what you got in Ipsy. Want to see the difference? Side-by-side comparison? Hi, I'm the little Professional. No, I'm the little Professional. No, I am. See, I'm smaller than you. No, I'm supposed to be the smallest one. Okay, and then the last thing in my Ipsy bag. I know it's Pacifica, and I've never tried Pacifica makeup. But as you know from my previous videos, I have done numerous tests with Pacifica, and it has not gone well, as you know. This is the Pacifica Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadow. So we have Tomboy, 1970, Pretty Vacant, Schooled, and Rebel. Those are the colors in there. So let's go ahead and why? Hang on, because they've got all this tape. They've got all this tape on here that, you know, on both sides. Bear with. Using my tweezers again. I still haven't gotten this out. It's out. As someone with neuropathy, it's hard to pinch and get those things, like even this. I can't. Look, you guys, seriously. More tape on this thing. Look at that. I am struggling with a tweezer. Oh my gosh, for real? Oh, and then you gotta love that. When it comes off, but it doesn't take it off there, where you need it. This was supposed to be fun. Who's having fun? You are at my expense. Okay, I think I finally got it. Not gonna lie, these are really pretty colors. Tomboy, 1970, absolutely. Pretty Vacant, Schooled, and Rebel. I'm gonna give this a try. That's pretty pigmented. I am using the Rebel because I am a rebel and I like this color. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. Okay, Ipsy, you disappointed me on some other things, but let me tell ya, well, it's really Pacifica. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Wow, you guys, I'm very lightly tapping that on. Right? Oh, no, I'm gonna have that song in my head. I'm gonna go in with Tomboy here. Here, taking out my flat brush. Oh, love. Love is in the air. You can feel it all around. Oh, hello, lover. I'm gonna go in with the green. I'm gonna try to take that like right in the middle. Oh, Oh, 1970s, oh, how I miss you. Oh, what a night. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Very. I mean, really, you really don't even need a lot. What's the next color? Schooled. I'm gonna get Schooled. Going in with that. Right here. That's one of the darker colors. Oh, so pretty. Hello. I'm gonna blend. You guys, whoa. How pretty is this? I'm going back in with the Rebel. Give me some more color here. Oh, wow, kabam, kabam. I'm gonna go under the eye with that. I love you, Pacifica. You have redeemed yourself with this eye palette. You have. Oh, oh my. I am so in love. I need to do the other eye so I don't look goofy. I have done both of my eyes with the Pacifica Tomboy vibe. These colors are outstanding. Very little on the brush did I have to put on in order to get this look. Seriously, the pigmentation is phenomenal. Absolutely. It's probably one of my most favorite eye palettes I have. I have a lot of eye palettes that don't make me happy. Pacifica just made me happy. What? Beautiful. The colors are amazing. I'm blown away because I don't usually wear eye makeup for the mere fact that it always looks terrible when I'm done. It never goes on right. It just gets blotchy and icky, and I don't like the colors. The colors don't come out right. This color palette is just to die for. The only problem I have with this palette is you don't have a highlighter in it. Now, what were you thinking, Pacifica? Because I need something for my brow, right? So I actually had to go into my Dear Diary and use this highlighter over on the brow here. On the inside of my eyes, of course, I use my favorite. Never in a million years would I think I would ever wear white eyeliner, but I love it so much, you guys. Do you guys like white eyeliner? I mean, I'm really getting a great vibe from it. I love it so much. It's so much fun. And it really, for someone like me who has the hooded eyes and small, you know, I don't have a lot of place to put, you know, eyeshadow. So I need something to make my eyes look like they're open and bright. I like the white eyeliner. I know that's not what we were here to talk about. We were here to talk about the Ipsy bag. So a couple things I'm disappointed in. Not digging the yellow and the vinyl. It's just, I mean, cheap. Really. Like, could you get any cheaper? Let me show you a couple of my other bags that I've gotten for free at Ulta. Aren't You Gorgeous by Benefit. And look at this, cool. Now, it's vinyl. It is vinyl, but it's fun, right? That's a fun bag. This, no, I don't even know what they were thinking. The red one would have been pretty. I do like the little Ipsy heart. Other than that, huge disappointment in that lip gloss, wherever that thing went. I probably threw it away already. So disgusting. The Professional was ridiculous. I mean, that is like a trial size. Like if you're just asking someone, hey, do you have a trial? Do you have a sample? I thought this was a fairly decent size for a sample if you're doing samples. This is a full-size product right here. So you're kind of getting a mix of full-size products with samples with maybe a smaller size of a product. So make up your mind. What do you want? Because this was ridiculous. If anybody uses professional, you know how ridiculous that was. I did like the brush a lot. And the eyeshadow. Oof. Yes. Okay, guys, that was my Ipsy bag. For $10 a month, you really can't go wrong. You know, you're going to have hit and misses. You're not going to like everything that comes in your bag. That's just reality. I have to say, though, for the $10, the eye palette was really worth it. And the brush was worth it. Everything else was just kind of, it was okay. Hey, you know what? It's always fun to get something in the mail. I love getting mail. I love getting stuff in the mail. Who doesn't? I had a little tickle. Oh, let me feel it. Oh. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and sharing this experience with me for Ipsy. I hope you liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up, you guys. God bless you. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it